So hey students, we have already seen in our previous videos question number 1, Roman number 1 and 2. Now we'll see in this videos remaining of. So remaining is third number. What what is in question? The order of the matrix. So what do you mean by order? Order of the matrix A. Which matrix? The given matrix A. So as you already know, order means how we are representing this matrix. A rows cross column, rows into columns. So how many rows? How many horizontal lines? One, two, and three. And how many vertical? One, two, three, four. So vertical means columns and horizontal means rows and vertical means columns. So what will we write? 3 into 3 cross 4. The order of the matrix will be 3 cross 4. Okay. If someone asks, what do you mean by order? So you can say, order it is written as row into columns. So the order is 3 cross 4. Now we'll see its fourth number. Fourth number is the number of all entries in A. The number of all entries in A means matrix A. Okay, it's a given matrix A. So what is the number of all entries? So when we are seeing the total number of elements, how many elements can we count? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. By counting, we are calculating this. So if we are not counting, then how we will see the total number of elements? It is given by row into columns. So when we are multiplying row to the columns, so we will get the total number of entries and the total number of elements. Both are same. Entries also same and elements. Some if asking in question, then also you go with this. So you can write 3 cross 4. If you want to just count, then count. And if you want to do smartly, then just multiply. 3 into 4, that is 12. So what will be the number of all entries in in matrix A is 3 cross 4, that is 12 answer. So now we'll see fifth number. Fifth number, the elements A23 we have to find. A31, A31, A14, A33, A22, and of matrix A. So you already know, you already get smarter. So 2 means rows and 3 means column. So where what will be the position? Second rows and third columns wala positions. You know. So the total number of elements. So specific elements from this matrix A23. First of all, we will find A23. What means of A23? Now we will identify elements in second row. Elements in second row. Second row is this. Second row, elements in second row, and third column. Third column is this. So elements in second row and third column will be 8. This is third column and this is our third row. So what will be the position and what is the element there? So 8. So we can write 8. A23 equal to 8. Now see what is asking. Now it's all your turn. Third row and first column. So let's see third row. Here it is third row and first column. So what is the common place of third row and first column is root 2. So elements in first row, second row, sorry, elements in what we are calculating. Okay, not this one. What we are A31. So element in third rows and first column. Third row, okay, and first column. Okay, this one only. Root 2. Third row and first column. Root 2. Now we will see A14. Now it's all your homework. Comment below your answer, and I will reply over that. Okay, kindly follow my request and do it by yourself. Remaining all is your responsibility. And let's see how many of you will give to me your answer. Thank you.